Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you're new, my name is Maggie and welcome. So today I wanted to share with you super exciting news because I've been gone for a while and I apologize, but once I tell you why, you'll understand. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you would have seen that I'm pregnant, and I had the really bad first trimester. My food aversions were crazy. I couldn't even be in the kitchen. So I couldn't film because I couldn't really be around the food. But now I am good. I am ready to come back. I am so ready to start filming for you guys again. But I really just wanted to share the news because you're going to start to see things change. So please be kind. Give me advice. Give me ideas. I mean, if you've been through it, let me know what it's like. I have still lots of food aversions, so be patient with me because I won't be able to cook everything all the time, but I am definitely diving in with whatever makes me feel good right now, and I feel great. I do still have a little bit of morning sickness, but I'm doing good. The baby is due later this year in June, at the end of June, so I'm about 18 weeks along. Everything is going great. Baby's doing great. Mom's doing great, and I'm just so excited to share this news with you. The cat is finally out of the bag, and I cannot wait to enjoy this time with you guys and just share the process with you. So thank you so much for watching, and get ready for more videos.